You're watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abby Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abby shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hi everyone, this is Abby Chain, and welcome to the Abby Golden Girls and Guys cooking show. And tonight I am beyond excited to be making a very, very delicious chicken dinner, and it's called honey Dijon garlic chicken breast. Now what I'm making here is service of 4, and it's going to be taking about 35 minutes to make. So the first thing I did was I preheated my oven to 425, and if you notice from all my other videos, I'm usually in my kitchen. Well, tonight I'm so excited that I'm actually visiting my dad, who lives 2 hours south of us, and I'm in his kitchen tonight cooking. So I'm super excited to be filming from a different location. Okay, then basically I lined an 8x8 dish with foil, and I put that in the oven to get the pan nice and hot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter into my pan. And while the butter is melting, this is so much fun. I love cooking in my father's kitchen, although I love my kitchen because I have so much more room. But it just goes to show you that you really don't need that much room to cook as long as you know what you're cooking. Okay, so basically I'm going to go ahead and melt the butter. Then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of garlic, and I'm going to add garlic. I'm making a glaze for the chicken breast. Okay, we go. I don't know about you, but I love, love, love the smell of garlic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix this, and I'm going to wait until the garlic gets fragrant by about 30 seconds. So I'm just making sure, because I don't want the garlic to be turning brown. So I'm just going to do this. And while that butter is cooking, I'm going to now go ahead and add 1/3 cup of honey. So I have my honey right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the honey. Unfortunately, you can't smell the unbelievable garlic. Okay, then I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So I already had this prepared. I like to always prepare my foods before I cook them. This way it goes a lot smoother. Like I always told you, I'm a girl on the run, and when I cook, I don't use that many ingredients. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my Dijon mustard. I'm going to stir it all together. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and just a little bit of pepper, giving it some taste. Excellent. And I'm going to continue. I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium, and I'm going to cook that for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, while I'm cooking that, I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to season it on both sides of my chicken breast. So I have 3 chicken breasts here. Okay, just going to go ahead and do the pepper, and now the salt. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and remove the hot pan from the stove. Here we go. I'm going to place the chicken in the pan. I'm going to use a nice fork to do that. And I'm going to separate them in the pan, making sure that there's some distance between each breast. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the glaze over the chicken. And here's what the glaze looks like. We have butter in there, we have garlic, we have honey, and we have Dijon mustard. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour the glaze all over the chicken. Oh, does this look beautiful? First I'm gonna do it with my spoon because I really wanna make sure that it's evenly dispersed. And I'm just gonna go back over it. Yeah, just making sure. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do, now that I have the glaze all over the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken back in the oven for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in 15 minutes as I put my chicken into the oven, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Hi, it's me again. Well, true confession, here it comes. Remember I told you earlier that I was going to see you in 15 minutes? Well, that was only to take the chicken out of the oven and baste it. Well, I did that. Well, then it said put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Well, I did that too. And guess what? When I took it out, I totally forgot to put the video back on, and we ate it. However, there's one piece left, and this is the glazed garlic chicken breast, and it was delicious. So guess what? You have to make this recipe because it's really good. Just enjoy. So again, this is Abby Chain with Abby's Golden Girls and Guys Cooking Show. I also teach online classes on Monday and Thursday. I'd love for you to try my classes. I do send out a free trial week, and you could go to vegero.com/Abby's Golden Girls, lowercase, all one word. And I hope you try my classes because you know something, whether you're 50 plus and you're a Golden Girls or Guys, or you're under 50 and then you're a Golden Nugget, you know what? Movement is so important. Exercise is important. Eating healthy is so important. And most of all, having great health is the final result. So please join me. And if you like this YouTube channel, just subscribe and share it with all your friends. Have a great day, everybody. See you soon.
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vegero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.